Okay, this is the finished product. It's a pillow, zipper. See, zipper in, zipper is in, zipper is in. I put two of them, so it could open up wide. I was too short when I had big ones. Put a button, put a button, zipper, 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 go in. But you gotta get a little enclosure here. I have a long one. There's a pillow make a redo for somebody because the cover had to wash. Intend to get other covers to cover this cover, so you won't have to take out that one. You will save it. In other words, you will save this cover. So I made this. Put on this button here, and it will keep hair closed. Slip this over here, and keep hair closed. See, nice. And it's for a car seat. Put on some extra mice strings. You see the ends, so you could tie around the car seat, so it won't be moving in the car seat. Nice pillow. Nice. 4 strings. The 4 ends to tie around the car seat. Don't really knot it up. Anyway. Four. 4 strings tie around the car seat. Nice pillow. And put the button in the middle because I gotta sit down there. Actually, put the button in, but it's good like this. Nice pillow. Okay.